how's it going? Still here in Hollywood. Got my very good friend Alex Naslow with me on loan from Gear Gods. He thought he'd try being on an entertaining show for a change.
Hey, it's a lot more fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It is a lot more fun. So happy to have you here.
Oh, thank you.
So today's subject is awesome mic preamps. Sure, it's just absolutely riveting stuff. But honestly, as audio engineers, this is kind of like the core of our system these days, since there's no more tape decks or anything like that. It really comes down to the mic preamps and the particular sounds they give you. Now, you guys have heard me say on numerous times that when it comes to recording metal guitar tones, you don't have to spend a lot of money on mic preamps. That's absolutely true, but we're talking today about one of the other kind.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, the super awesome kind.
The very nice kind.
So what we've got here is the Mic Pre 2 by Daking. Now, I don't know about you, but I read a lot of those magazines back in the 90s and 2000s, EQ, recording, mix, all of them. And anytime they do an interview and they picture a dude in the studio, he'd always have a Daking Mic Pre.
Yeah, I was always like, what is that green thing in the background?
Exactly, with that weird logo
Yeah,
and stuff.
yeah.
And, I got talking to them at NAMM last year. I'm like, hey, we should really check these out because, this stuff's just freaking legendary. They're just awesome. And I'll say this, I was talking with Warren Hewitt from Produce Like a Pro about the Daking Pre's, and he says the absolute favorite vocal sound he ever got in his entire career was with a Daking.
I did not know that. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. Now, we're not exactly allowed to talk about the design this mic preamp was based off of. Let's just say Aquaman carries one as a weapon. Now, specs-wise, the Daking Mic Pre 2 has 70 dBs of gain. It's got an LED VU meter, which is pretty awesome. It looks pretty damn cool. Will definitely impress your clients.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a 20 dB pad, which is quite powerful, especially when you've got very loud sources like drums and whatnot. Phantom power, of course. It's got a 1/4-inch instrument input on the front, and it also has a 10 to 200 hertz high-pass filter. Now, I gotta say, as far as high-pass filters go, this is probably one of the best I've ever encountered.
It's so smooth.
It's 12 dBs per octave, but it is really gentle. And honestly, you really gotta crank it over to hear it working a lot of the time. At least that's been my experience. So if you need to clean up a lot of rumble in your signal and whatnot, just turn that on. It's not gonna mess up your signal. Okay, specs are one thing, but let's cut the crap here. Let's just get to the meat of it. Let's check out Alex on the grand piano with a couple of those wonderful JZ V67 microphones and the Daking Pre.
Blood will spill forth through the land, flesh will burn from the light. The sky brings death of fiery hands, the hearts of men are black as night. Now die for your glory and soar to the heavens. The plague of nations is damned to us all.
Now, for a more rock and roll setup, we're gonna record some drums here. We're gonna run the Daking into a pair of V67s for overheads, and we've got a Lewitt Rex on the kick and an Earthworks snare mic. Just a very, very basic setup. We've only got 2 channels, but we're gonna solo up the overheads here so you can really hear exactly what's going on. Check this out. Now, I gotta stress, the Daking preamps are pretty much the #1 choice in here, and we've got some pretty freaking sweet gear in this studio.
Yeah.
And I mean, like, when it comes to mic preamps, I mean, like, if I'm recording anything critical, that's the first thing I'm reaching. You used the Daking on some of the new Witherfall, didn't you?
Yeah, so I recorded the last Witherfall record, the vintage EP here, and we used the Daking on, I think we used it on everything or almost everything.
Yeah.
So the guitars, the vocals, some of the percussion, and it sounds incredible. I mean, the record's out now. You can listen to it anywhere, basically.
Right.
If you want to hear what it sounds like.
Yeah.
It sounds really good.
And, you know, when I'm in the Hollywood studio and I'm doing my stuff here, 9 times out of 10, I'm running my voiceover through the Daking. You guys are hearing it on viewers' comments, the last stupid musician text.
You guys are hearing it right now.
Exactly, yes. We're going through it right now. Alex is kind of covering it up, but yes, it's, here, get out of the way, Alex.
All right, I'll get out of the way.
Here. You can see the LED way back there doing its thing, and yeah, it's just freaking awesome. I'm using it on guitar, bass, you know, basically whatever comes in that isn't directly connected, that's not like an amp sim or anything, it's just strictly the Daking stuff. And yeah, it's just been absolutely spectacular. Now, the surprising thing is it's not ridiculously expensive for a 2-channel mic pre. It's going for about $1,100 at Sweetwater, and I'm gonna put some links in the description below. You guys can find out more. And all I can say is, yeah, it's definitely a little less expensive than some of my other preamps I've got back at Spectre, which really surprised me because it's definitely on par, if not better, than those other high-end preamps.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know how he's doing it, what the secret is. Yeah, I don't know what his secret is to keeping the cost so low, but whatever it is, hey man, just keep doing it.
Yeah, definitely. So if you're in the market for your first high-end preamp and you don't want to break the bank, but you want to get something pretty awesome, yeah, definitely check out the Mic Pre 2 from Daking. It is seriously awesome. Follow the link in the description below. I'm freaking out of here.